Hey creators, welcome back to MyDan Computer Training Channel. Have you ever watched a video where one scene flows seamlessly into the next, almost like magic? That's the power of transitions. In today's tutorial, iLines show you how to create smooth and creative transitions in CapCut that will make your videos look professional, even if you're just starting out. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share so you don't miss the rest of this advanced editing series. Now let's dive in. First, let's get some terminology out of the way. What exactly is a transition? Well, it's an effect that connects to clips, allowing them to flow together instead of jumping suddenly. Think of it as the bridge that carries your audience from one scene to the next. Now let's see how easy it is to add a basic transition. Start by placing the clips side by side. You'll notice a small white box between them. Tap it and choose a transition effect. There are many options, but we'll start with 3 simple built-in transitions: dissolve, zoom, and slide. Each has a unique style, but they all serve the same purpose: to make your video flow. Once selected, a preview will appear between the 2 clips. Now let's take it up a notch. We can customize the look and feel of our transition by adjusting the duration slider. A shorter transition adds more energy, while a longer one creates a more cinematic feel. Now let's talk about overlay and keyframe transitions. They allow for more creative effects like this whip pan. To create this effect, position your 2 clips side by side. Tap the transition box and select an overlay. Now here's the magic. Adjust the position and scale of the overlay using keyframes. By sliding the first clip out and the next clip in at the same time, we create a smooth and dynamic transition. As you can see, transitions play a crucial role in storytelling. They help you maintain your audience's attention and set the pace for your video. But remember, the best transitions are the ones that fit your content. For example, slide transitions work great for vlogs because they establish a connection between shots. Dissolve transitions are perfect for emotional edits as they emphasize the connection between 2 moments. Zoom or spin transitions are ideal for high-energy videos like dance routines or sports montages because they add a sense of movement and excitement. Now it's your turn to experiment and find your style. Try out different types of transitions and see how they change the feel of your video. The most important thing is to have fun and be creative. Quick recap. First, place 2 clips side by side. Second, tap the transition box and choose a preset. Third, adjust the duration for the style you want. Fourth, use overlays and keyframes for creative effects. And fifth, always match your transition style to your video's content and mood. And that's how you create smooth, professional transitions in CapCut. Now go forth and edit like a pro. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And tell me in the comments, which transition do you want to try first? Dissolve, zoom, or slide? Thanks for watching. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.